In this video, we're gonna make Trader Joe's linguine with pesto and tomatoes. And this is how you make Trader Joe's linguine with pesto and tomatoes. This video is gonna be about how to make Trader Joe's linguine with pesto and tomatoes. It should be real easy to make. 2 tablespoons of oil, throw the bag in, cover it for 2 minutes, mix it, cover for another 5 minutes, and you're done. Here we go, guys. Trader Joe's linguine with pesto and tomatoes. It smells delicious. It looks real good. Let's try it out. Alright, first bite. Linguine, Trader Joe's linguine with pesto and tomatoes. It's good. This is really good, guys. Another winner from Trader Joe's. They keep dishing out winners. Real good stuff. It was real easy to make. 2 tablespoons of oil. Throw the bag in. Heat it for 2 minutes on medium heat. Mix it all real good. Cover 5 more minutes and you're done. Really good stuff. Makes an awesome quick lunch. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video review.